Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 5: Houses and Clothes. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the different types of houses, materials used to build a house, the features of a good house, the different types of clothes, the ways that we keep our home clean and tidy. We all need a house to live safely. A house protects us from the heat, cold, rain, storms, thieves, and wild animals. People living in different regions and climates build different kinds of houses. Types of houses. We can see different kinds of houses around us. They differ in size, shape, location, and construction materials. They can be divided into two major types: permanent houses and temporary houses. 1. Permanent houses. Houses that are built to last for a long time. These houses are constructed with bricks, cement, iron, steel, and concrete, and they are called permanent houses or pakka houses. They are very strong and cannot be shifted from one place to another. These houses are able to last a long time. These houses are mostly found in towns and cities. Permanent houses can be further divided into different types like bungalow, single-story house, and multi-story building. 2. Temporary houses. Houses that are made of wood, mud, straw, grass, bamboo, thatch or sticks are called temporary houses or kacha houses. They are neither strong nor long-lasting. The only advantage of kacha houses is that the construction material, being natural, is cheap and easily available. These houses can be easily seen in villages. Critical thinking. Huts made of mud and water are cool inside in the summer. Apart from kacha houses, there are some other temporary houses like caravan, tent, houseboat, igloo, stilt, etc. Tent. It is a house that is made of canvas. It can be folded and carried along easily. NCC cadets, campers, nomads, soldiers and construction workers use these types of houses. 2. Caravan. People who roam around from place to place are called nomads. They live in caravan. A caravan is a house of wheel. It is usually a big vehicle like a van. There is everything inside this van that a person or family needs, like a bed, shelves, vessels, water, etc. Gypsies and people who work in the circus usually live in caravans. 3. Igloo. In ice-cold places like the Arctic, people cut blocks of ice to make houses called igloos. They have round or dome-shaped roofs. Usually Eskimos live in igloo. 4. Stilt. In places where it rains a lot, houses are made on poles called stilt. It is made of long pieces of wood or metal. Water cannot enter or wash away these houses as they are high above the ground. Houseboat. Some people also make houses on boats. These are called houseboats. It is made of wood. It can move along a river or a lake. In India, houseboats are commonly found in Kashmir and Kerala. They may have many rooms with all facilities. Critical thinking. Houses on mountains have sloping roofs so that snow and rain can slide down easily. A good and clean house. A house may be big or small. It may be a hut or a bungalow. It may be single-story or multi-story. A good house should have some essential features. Natural light is important for a healthy living space. Every room should be airy and well lit. Sunlight keeps the room dry and kills the germs that can make us sick. We should have proper windows in the house to let the sunlight come in. Doors and windows should have wire netting to keep mosquitoes and flies away. Iron grills protect from intruders. The house should have windows that can be opened to allow the fresh air to circulate. There should be separate rooms for sleeping, welcoming guests, cooking, dining, storing, and washing. Plants clean the air. So, we should grow plants around our houses. There should be some open space like a courtyard, veranda, or balcony where children can play. They allow sunlight and fresh air into the house. Ways to keep a house neat and clean. A good house should have a proper drainage system to carry away the dirty water. Mosquitoes and flies breed in this water and spread diseases. Every house should be neat and clean. Wash basins, toilets and bathrooms that breed germs and diseases must be washed and cleaned daily. Water should not be collected on the floors of the kitchen and bathroom. Dustbins must be kept away from the place where we cook and eat. They should be covered and cleaned every day. Garbage should not be thrown outside the house. If it is thrown in open places, flies and other insects breed and cause sickness. There should be closed dustbin for the garbage. Coolers should be dry when not in use. We should have a fixed place for keeping things. This saves the time for searching them. Clothing. Like a house, clothes protect our bodies from changing weather conditions as cold, rain, heat, dust and insects. To keep ourselves comfortable, we wear different types of clothes depending upon the weather conditions of the place where we live. We also dress up according to the occasion or the place we go to. For example, we wear our school's uniform when we go to school. We wear loose and comfortable clothes when we are at home or on a picnic, and we wear bright, colorful clothes when we go to a party. Seasonal clothes. We wear our clothes according to the climatic conditions. Different places of India have different types of climates. Places like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and other hilly areas face extreme cold conditions most of the year. Here, people wear thick woolen clothes to protect themselves from the cold. Places like Delhi and Punjab face different climates in summer, winter as well as rainy season. In these places, people wear clothes according to the season. In summer, people wear cotton clothes to keep themselves cool. In winter, they wear woolen clothes. In the rain, they wear raincoats and use umbrellas and gumboots to protect themselves from getting wet. Places like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. experience hot and wet climate throughout the year. People living in these places wear light, comfortable, and loose clothes. Fibers. Clothes are made from fibers. Many fibers, when twisted together, make yarn. These yarns are used to make fabric. One or more fabrics are then stitched together to make a dress. Fibers are of two kinds: natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Animal fibers include wool and silk that come from animals' hair, fur, etc. Plant fibers come from plants like cotton, jute, flax, etc. Man-made fibers are also called synthetic fibers. Nylon, terracotta and polyester are man-made fibers. Continuous review. All human beings need houses and clothes. Houses are of different sizes, shapes, locations, and construction materials. A tent is a house that is made of canvas. NCC cadets, nomads, soldiers, and construction workers live in these types of houses. A caravan is a house of wheels. People who work in the circus usually live in caravans. Stills are made of long pieces of wood or metal. Plants clean the air. So, we should grow plants around our houses. Wash basins, toilets, and bathrooms that breed germs and diseases must be washed and cleaned daily.
Like, share, and subscribe.